Chronic inflammation is a silent culprit behind many age-related diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Unlike acute inflammation, which heals injuries, chronic inflammation persists, damaging tissues over time. Studies show that 60% of adults over 65 suffer from inflammation-linked conditions. Processed foods, stress, and inactivity fuel this fire. But the good news? Your diet can be your first line of defense. Foods rich in omega-3s and antioxidants act like firefighters for inflammation. Omega-3s in fatty fish reduce inflammatory markers by up to 20%, while antioxidants in berries neutralize free radicals. Turmeric's curcumin, for instance, is 500 times more potent than vitamin E. These nutrients don't just soothe, they rebuild. Imagine your plate as a pharmacy, each bite a calculated dose of healing. Your pantry might be a minefield of inflammation triggers. Processed sugars spike blood glucose, triggering inflammatory responses within hours. Trans fats in margarine and fried foods double heart disease risk. Start by tossing refined carbs, sugary cereals, and vegetable oils. Replace them with whole foods. Your joints and heart will thank you. A 2023 study found this swap alone reduced inflammation markers by 30% in 8 weeks. A balanced anti-inflammatory plate is 50% colorful veggies, 25% lean protein like salmon or lentils, and 25% whole grains like quinoa. Add a thumb-sized portion of healthy fats, avocado or olive oil. This combination slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and maximizes nutrient absorption. For example, pairing turmeric with black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by 2,000%. Think of your plate as a mosaic of medicine. Some foods are inflammation's sworn enemies. Walnuts contain polyphenols that lower CRP, a key inflammation marker, by 15%. Ginger blocks multiple inflammatory pathways simultaneously. Blueberries protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Even dark chocolate, 85% cocoa, reduces inflammation in arterial walls. Incorporate just one of these daily. Research shows measurable benefits in as little as 3 weeks. 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. When bad bacteria outnumber good, inflammation flares. Probiotics in yogurt and kefir restore balance, while prebiotic fiber in garlic and oats feeds beneficial microbes. A 2022 study found that daily probiotic use reduced joint pain by 40% in seniors. Remember, a happy gut means a calmer body. It's not just what you eat, it's what thrives inside you. Batch cooking anti-inflammatory meals saves time and health. Spend 2 hours weekly. Roast a tray of mixed veggies, cook quinoa in bulk, grill salmon fillets. Store in glass containers, BPA-free to avoid endocrine disruptors. Studies show prepped meals reduce reliance on inflammatory takeout by 60%. Pro tip, freeze ginger turmeric tea cubes for instant anti-inflammatory boosts. Your future self will praise this ritual. Restaurant meals don't have to derail progress. Start with a greens-based appetizer. Fiber buffers blood sugar spikes. Choose grilled over fried, and request olive oil instead of butter. A 2021 study found these swaps cut post-meal inflammation by 35%. Avoid sneaky triggers like creamy dressings and bread baskets. Bonus, sharing dessert halves sugar intake while satisfying cravings. Eating out is about strategy, not sacrifice. Meet Barbara, 68, who reversed her prediabetes by swapping cereal for chia pudding. Or Tom, 72, whose arthritis pain diminished after 6 weeks of daily walnuts and salmon. These aren't outliers. Clinical trials confirm food's power. Participants in anti-inflammatory diets report 50% less fatigue and better mobility. Your story could be next. Small changes compound into life-altering results. Begin with one change. Swap soda for herbal tea, or add a handful of berries to breakfast. Track how you feel in 2 weeks. Less bloating? More energy? Science proves every anti-inflammatory bite adds up. Click subscribe for our next video on stress-busting techniques. Remember, aging isn't about decline, it's about thriving. Your plate holds the power. Let's eat for the life you deserve.